If you're watching this right now, chances are you're dealing with something that millions of people struggle with every day: swollen gums, painful cavities, and, let's be honest, bad breath. It's uncomfortable, embarrassing, and can make social situations downright awkward. But what if I told you there's a natural solution, a simple soft mineral that melts in your mouth, helping to not only reduce swollen gums but also combat bad breath and even prevent cavities? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's real, and today I'm going to tell you exactly what's causing those swollen gums and how this mineral can help you. Let's talk about swollen gums for a second. They might start off feeling a bit puffy or tender when you brush or floss, but pretty soon they're throbbing. Eating becomes a challenge, talking isn't comfortable, and worst of all, bad breath follows you everywhere. I know, it's a real nightmare, but why does this happen? Well, there are a few main culprits. Plaque buildup. This sticky film full of bacteria builds up on your teeth and gums. It irritates your gums, causing inflammation and swelling. Gum disease, gingivitis. When plaque isn't taken care of properly, it can lead to infections in the gums, making them even more swollen and painful. Poor diet. Foods high in sugar and acid wear down your enamel, making your gums more vulnerable to infections. Dehydration and mouth breathing. When your mouth is dry, bacteria multiply, leading to bad breath and gum inflammation. But here's the good news. There's something you can do about it. And no, it's not another trip to the dentist. There's a natural soft mineral that melts in your mouth, and it helps soothe swollen gums, fight bad breath, and even target cavities at the source. If you're curious to learn more about how this mineral works, I've linked a short video in the description below. Make sure to check it out after this video. It'll explain everything and how you can use it at home, super easily. Now let's dive into the struggle a bit more. Swollen gums can make you self-conscious. You avoid smiling, maybe even avoid eating certain foods because of the pain. And then there's bad breath. You've tried every mouthwash, every gum, but nothing seems to work long term. The discomfort and embarrassment can really take a toll, right? Not to mention, if left untreated, it can lead to more serious issues like receding gums, gum disease, and costly dental procedures. But here's the thing, you don't need another temporary fix. You need something that works from the inside out, that targets the root causes of gum issues and keeps your mouth healthy for good. And that's where this soft mineral comes in. This mineral works naturally with your body, and the best part, you just pop it in your mouth and it dissolves, doing all the hard work for you. I know it sounds simple, but that's because it is. If you want to know how to use it at home, go ahead and click the link in the description to watch the video that explains how this mineral works, how to use it, and why so many people are already seeing incredible results. Now let's talk about bad breath. What's causing it? More often than not, bad breath comes from bacteria in your mouth, and the same bacteria that irritates your gums are the ones causing that foul odor. When your gums are swollen, the bacteria has more room to hide, leading to chronic bad breath that no amount of brushing or chewing gum can fix. On top of that, these bacteria are hard at work causing cavities. They break down the enamel on your teeth, leading to tooth decay, pain, and eventually those dreaded trips to the dentist. But once again, there's hope, because this soft mineral does more than just soothe swollen gums. It also helps target the bacteria that cause bad breath and cavities, helping you keep your mouth fresh and healthy. If you haven't already, take a moment to click the link in the description below. It'll take you to a short video that breaks down how this mineral works and how you can start using it at home. Trust me, it's worth the watch. So, here's the bottom line. You don't have to live with the discomfort of swollen gums, the pain of cavities, or the embarrassment of bad breath. There's a natural way to take control of your oral health without expensive treatments, harsh chemicals, or painful procedures. This soft mineral is a game changer. You deserve a smile that's not just healthy, but confident. And it all starts with this simple solution. Click the link in the description below, watch the quick video, and learn how you can start using it at home today. You're just one step away from finally getting the relief you've been looking for. No more pain, no more bad breath, just a healthy, happy mouth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.